Introducing the Pliant Offshore Installation Measurement System. The Installation Measurement System, or IMS, is developed by Pliant Offshore. IMS is specifically designed for continuous real-time measurement during piling and allows accurate and real-time measurement of inclination and position of a pile from either a floating or jack-up vessel. How does it work? The system uses two Lidar scanners which are positioned on a motion sensor. The scanners are calibrated and positioned on deck at approximately 90-degree angle of each other. Using two scanners makes the system redundant, and as spin-off this way the system is able to measure when piles are oval instead of cylindrical. This ensures accurate measurements even at deformed piles. The Lidar scanners scan the environment and the motion of the vessel is compensated with use of the motion sensor. The result is a motion-compensated point cloud which is fed to the positioning algorithm. The algorithms then detect the pile and determine its position, orientation, and inclination in real time, with an accuracy of better than 0.05 degrees. IMS is very robust since its principle is based on 3D Lidar measurement technology. Lidar scanners are not subject to changing light conditions and work perfectly in all weather types during day as well as during the night. This is contrary to conventional cameras, which are extremely sensitive for light conditions. IMS has proven on several projects to save at least 30 minutes of operational time per pile during installation and can also be used for feedback on stabbing of the hammer. IMS has proven to be responsible for making less errors during installation, which translates directly to lower operating costs. Using IMS will make your installation faster, more accurate, and with less errors.